You guessed it, Hot Wheels Tampo cars. The custom Volkswagen Beetles and a couple of Vipers. All right, thanks for watching. I think I have a few more of these. Okay, what can we come up with? Guess we can come up with a couple of 70s Challengers in the white and blue. A couple of random Tampos. How about some vans? Man. Yeah, okay, let's do some Mustangs here because I know I have some Mustangs in the black and blue. Another Mustang, different year obviously. And then got some 69 Mustangs here in the blue and the black. I know I have some more Mustangs here. I have some Shelbys. Those are beautiful. A couple, a black and a blue. The old Bone Shaker. I have a whole box full of Bone Shakers. What else do we have here? We've got them just, oh, here's some Corvettes. Once again, this is just all Tampo cars from different years. Well, let's mix it up a bit. How about this baby? This one looks good, the 12 Camaro. A little bit different, being all red. Looks pretty flashy though. I don't have many that aren't black, white, blue. Here's a couple of, I don't even remember the names of these, but I think they're MIG rigs, I believe is the name, the MIG rigs in white and blue. Push those back a bit. Then we have a couple of, there's some more Mustangs. Not really fond of this model or casting. Looks kind of, I don't know, chintzy or something. I like the Chevelles. I like the blue. Oh, actually, these are two black. These are two black Chevelles with different numbers. One being number 3, one being number 9. Same wheels, different Tampos, but still Tampo cars. Oh, that's cool. I like that. And that. And we have some the racing ones there. The Willys Coupes. A couple Willys Coupes in the black and the blue. Look at the size of those. Those are huge compared to most of the other ones. I think I have a couple of Torinos here actually. Kind of a fan of the Torino. I think they look pretty cool, the purple and the blue. A truck. Actually, I got lots of trucks. The Circle Trackers, I'm not really into cars that aren't real. Circle Tracker being one of them. Boulevard Bruiser or Buster, Boulevard Bruiser being another one. It looks kind of good with the Tampos, but you know, it's not anything spectacular. And I'm gonna actually end it up with some trucks. Well, let's just do a couple more cars. And now I will move those out of the way. Like I said, I had that truck in there before. And we'll finish her off with 3 more trucks. This square body being the coolest, as far as I'm concerned. And that right there is a mass of Hot Wheel Tampo cars and trucks and racers and whatnot. And that's it. That's a look at them.